How to update Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can update your Kakaotalk app on your device. It's very easy. So all you have to do is go to App Store on your device. Now once you go to App Store, tap on search, and in the search bar type in Kakaotalk and hit search. Now once you go to it, you will see update option right here in the place of open, as my app is already updated, so it's not showing here. But in your case, if it needs update, it will be shown right here, and just tap on update and your app will be updated. And that's it. This is how easy it is to update the Kakaotalk application on your device. You can also long press on the app to delete it, like you can long press on it and tap on the app and it will also be removed. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.